Hey Lincoln, welcome back. This is Homegrown Lincoln's Food 411, and we are still on our search for Lincoln's best Reuben sandwich. And today I have with me Eric Bibbins. How are you?
I'm good.
Eric is, of course, one of the employees here at Homegrown, so he knows what's going on. He knows what's up.
I do.
He knows what's up. So
Well, I act like it.
he does. So we are at Stauffer's Cafe Pie Shop here, right off 48th between Old Cheney and Highway 2 for a Reuben.
Yes,
Excited?
I am.
Do you like Reubens?
I'm not a huge fan of Reubens.
Not a huge fan of Reubens. Well, maybe this will change your mind.
I hope so.
All right, well, let's crack this box open.
Let's take a look.
Let's see what this looks like.
Oh, yeah.
That looks good.
It's got some saucy
Yeah, a little sauce.
in the pickles.
Ooh, looks real crowdy. So Eric, just as every Food 411, this isn't your first time on this.
Not my first
We have
rodeo.
rules.
Yes.
We have rules. You probably know the first rule.
One bite.
That is a rule. Another rule is they can't know we're coming.
That's
Kinda
usually the
starts with
first
that.
one.
Yeah,
That's the first one. I'm sorry.
And then another rule is no Rachel. You know what a Rachel is?
No.
You sub the meat for like turkey. Like,
Oh.
Yeah. So
No.
we don't want any of that stuff.
None of that.
So, and then we rank our experience with the food here with one bite, like you said. You ready
One
for that?
bite. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's do it. I grabbed that one already. So
Okay.
you hit that up. Actually, I don't know which one I grabbed. It's what it is. I'm seeing lots of kraut. Do you like kraut?
I do.
And that might
My wife loves
that
kraut.
might save us. Cheers, buddy.
Cheers.
Oh crap. Masking game.
Oh, I want another bite. All right,
Yeah.
Matt. For starters,
Hit me.
this thing is dripping.
Ribbon.
I like the dripping.
You like some slop?
I like some slop with it.
For me, like when we just from the appearance, a little crowdy. I think it is just a little crowdy. The kraut to meat ratio is pretty high.
It is.
There's some good sauce on there. The toast is good.
The toast is good. I like the sauce. I like the tang of the kraut in there. Meat's good too.
Yeah, I mean, I got a nice little piece of meat back here.
Yeah.
So Stauffer's here. What would you rate this
All right.
off of your experience in life?
Listen, out of life experiences from when I was a kid to now, I'm gonna give this a solid 8.
Yeah.
This was better than my expectations. I don't know what I was expecting, but this was great. So I'm gonna give it an 8.
You know, I'm falling right in line with that too. I think there's too much kraut to have it up there with the elite Reubens that we've had so far. So you guys, we are doing an 8.
I'm gonna eat, so.
You keep eating. As always, comment below if you guys want us to check out one of your favorite Reuben spots. We will for sure do that. You can like, follow, share Homegrown Lincoln on Facebook and Instagram. And guys, please come and patronize Stauffer's here. Do your best to stay local, guys. We'll see you at the next.
Stay safe.